Using a spectrophotometer. What is a spectrophotometer? An apparatus for measuring the intensity of light in a part of the spectrum, especially as transmitted or emitted by a particular substance. Qualitative versus quantitative data. Qualitative data approximates or characterizes but does not measure the attributes, characteristics, or properties of something. Quantitative data can be qualified and verified as amenable to statistical manipulation. In short, qualitative describes, whereas quantitative defines. Why we scan across all wavelengths. Every substance absorbs specific wavelengths and has a lambda max. Lambda max is the wavelength at which the maximum fraction of light is absorbed by a solution. Scanning across every wavelength can help identify a substance's lambda max, or, if the lambda max is known, identify the substance itself. The Beer-Lambert law states the concentration of an analyte is directly proportional to the amount of light absorbed. It's represented by the equation A equals ELC. This formula can be compared to the equation of a line where X is the concentration and is varied by creating a series of dilutions. How is the value of each variable determined? Path length in this lab was given as 1. For concentration, use this formula. Absorbance calculated by the spectrophotometer. Absorbance C, because L is 1, is considered the slope of the function and is calculated with this handy trick. The procedure. Step 1. Transfer a sufficient amount of solution to the cuvette.
Let me just see the cuvette. Can you see the flash one more time?
Does it still smell like it?
Step 2. Zero the spectrophotometer. Step 3. Wipe the two sides of the cuvette the light will pass through. Step 4. Place the cuvette in the spectrophotometer with the clean sides in the beam and close the lid.
There you go. You got it. Wait, this doesn't have an arrow. Yeah.
Step 5. Scan and record the absorbance of the sample. Step 6. Carefully remove the sample from the spectrophotometer.
Okay, it's positive.
There we go.
Wait, here.
Thank you.
Finally, clean up.